Sound test. Sound test. This is a sound test. Were this anything other than a sound test, I would actually be saying something meaningful. I am making a recording with a blue snowball ice. Had a little problems with the volume of the recording. I'm not sure if that's because of the microphone sensitivity or my computer's hookup or whatever. Basically, if I come in really close like this, it sounds fine. But if I'm more than a foot away, it sounds really faint. The Blue Snowball Ice is a single directional microphone, so in theory, you shouldn't be able to hear the Beethoven playing behind the microphone. Of course, seeing how that's about 3 feet away, you probably wouldn't be able to hear it regardless. With whatever this thing is. Anything else? Oh. Yeah, I suppose I should try turning it around to see if it can pick up noise that way. I'll keep talking at this volume and I'll slowly turn it around in a clockwise direction. And I am just going to say absolutely nothing at all for a few seconds. Blah, 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 blah. I will not talk in a funny voice because that is against the purpose. Well, no, it's not against the purpose. This is also for sound test for testing whether or not how YouTube picks up this this little audio sequence, whatever you want to call it. The sound test. Yes. Blah 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 blah. Oh, I should try changing my pitch, I suppose. I'm not much of a singer. That wasn't anything. I wasn't singing anything there. That's not as low as I can go either, or as high. That's just for the sound test. Yeah, honestly, I think it's probably good enough at this point. Well, I suppose I should just check real quick just to get slowly farther away. Do you see just how faint my voice becomes? Because, you know, that was an issue that I'm trying to test out. I am currently around 3 feet away from it. Now maybe 4 feet, possibly. And now I'm coming closer again. At this point, I am about a foot away. And now I'm just a couple of inches away. Yeah. So yeah, I suppose that's probably good enough. Oh, now I'm going to talk in a different direction. And now I'm talking at a right angle to the microphone. Let's see how it picks up that. Yeah. I think that's probably good enough. Sound test. Sound test. This was a sound test. You did not hear anything meaningful in this conversation, because it was not a conversation. Sound test.